Today is day 5. Good morning. It's day 5.
Today was a day I think I was looking forward to the most.
I don't do taster scoops, I just go for it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
An easy 4-mile flat jaunt along Elizabeth Lake to Helen Lake, our most remote and off the beaten path campsite of the entire trip.
How many mosquito bites do you think you have on your body right now?
I am mosquito bite.
With a short mileage in mind, we really milked our easy morning, spending extra time enjoying breakfast, coffee.
The concentration on your face right now. I'm having instant espresso. Oh, that's good. Do you want to try this?
Yeah. It is not bad.
What would you give it?
I would give it a 5.7 out of 10.
Yeah?
I'm a coffee snob now, Danny.
Nice. What was the best part of yesterday, Scott?
Oh, lunch spot was pretty nice. Tunnel was cool.
There was a moment, and this was exhilarating, but I have complicated feelings around it, where we were on a very narrow path on the side of a mountain. And Scott thought he saw a mountain lion. And my reaction to that was to get my camera ready and make sure that one of you were on either side of me. While we were walking towards what Scott thought was a mountain lion, I was really wondering if that mountain lion were to attack you, Danny. Would I take pictures or would I try to?
I would hope you take pictures first and then help me.
I think that's what I would do.
Let's head towards more mountain lions.
Day 5. Heading out of Elizabeth Lake. Going this way.
Really?
It's 1:47 in the afternoon.
Late start.
We've had a late start today. You know what? I don't even care.
We're on vacation.
We're on vacation. We're only going 4 miles.
Party day.
It's not supposed. We're not getting a bunch of elevation today. We had a nice, fun time sozzling off in the river or in the lake. Hey, look at that lake.
That was awesome.
Pretty good.
Almost like an American General sandwich.
Okay.
And you pour that over the French fry and it's good.
You want to sit on the Pebble Beach? It's a nice little beach.
Yeah, it's hella nice, Danny.
Yeah. It's like when things go okay, I'm gonna take credit. When things go south, like I planned this trip.
That's being in charge.
Yeah. As we approached Helen Lake, we were met with some of the most picturesque views of mountains and waterfalls that felt like we were stepping right into a Bob Ross painting. It was such a nice, warm, sunny day, we decided to hang up our food real quick,
You looking good, Scott?
grab our chairs, and go hang at the beach. This made for a great opportunity to really take our time to wash the dirt and salt off us. Ah, feels so good. Just likes to just sit down in it.
Yeah.
Take my breath away. Scott, you like to kind of come in and stand in it,
I love it.
and then you're like, all right.
To expose my body like 6 inches at a time. And just like, ooh, sensation.
I think I just need to jump in. Ah.
Hello. Hiding over here behind my camera. I think that was a really good shot. I'm really excited about it. I'm excited about tonight. I'm excited to shoot the Milky Way. And there. Yeah, I'm gonna go hang out with the guys.
This was probably the happiest I've seen Zach on the entire trip.
Here's the boys.
He was having a blast, hanging out, and taking pictures. Mountains surrounding the lake made an amphitheater around us, making this one of the most picturesque spots. Zach also comes up with my favorite quote of the entire trip.
I'm enveloped in purple mountain majesty.
That really describes the whole experience. We stayed down at the beach until the sun ducked down below the mountains. Finally, we went back to set up camp, cook dinner, and head back down to keep Zach company as he took pictures of the stars.